While we all wait for our CRMs and marketing automation platforms to get more AI functionality within them, Zapier is a really great option. And it's a great option anyhow, because it connects to more tools and allows more flexibility in front end development for workflows than a lot of CRMs do. So in this particular Zap, what we're doing is we're analyzing sentiment from an inbound email from somebody who has the correct lifecycle stage. And if they have a positive sentiment, then we are going to update a property in HubSpot that says their email sentiment is positive. And then that is used inside of lead scoring to update lead score if we have an email with a positive sentiment. Same thing for negative and same thing for neutral. So the way we set this up, right, is we choose a new engagement in HubSpot. This example is using HubSpot. And then for our trigger, we want an email, okay? Then we're going to find the contact. And now normally we would want to do the filter first, but we actually need to pull some things in before we can actually do the filter that are not coming in from the trigger. So what we're going to go ahead and do is find the contact using the contact ID that came through in the first step. And then we're going to filter, right? So in this particular instance, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure this is not an email from someone on our team. So that's ensures that it's coming from a client. And we want to make sure that they're in one of these lifecycle stages so that we're not bringing partner emails and other emails into this app that we don't need. Okay. So then we're going to set up the action for ChatGPT to analyze text sentiment. So then what you need to do, put the body of the email in there, and then you choose your tokens, your model, temperature, everything like that. And so you will need to make sure that on OpenAI, you do have paid credits. This is different than the ChatGPT subscription. So you'll need to make sure that you have that in order to connect and make this work. So then we can go ahead and do this. And now we're going to get the sentiment. Okay. So then here we have our positive sentiment. So setting up this step, all we have to do is say if the sentiment contains positive, it goes down this path, right? Negative and neutral down the other. And then we're going to go ahead and update the property. So pretty easy to set up, not super complex. And this will allow you to record inbound email sentiments and update your lead score dynamically. Like I said, the lead score includes these parameters so that you can go ahead and apply those to your lead score since you're not able to update the lead score directly in a Zap. So hopefully this solution is helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.